Treasure, you know what to do, right?
Hmm.
Treasure.
Our laptop is in school.
Yes, I know, I know. So go ahead and start the page. Then that part where you need to know what to write, I'll tell you what to do. You can refer to your book if you need to, okay? Remember to use two hands to type so that you'll be faster.
That was today's title.
Okay. Okay, so you did random numbers last week, right? Was it random numbers we did? It was random numbers, right?
The special sense of joining a string or sentence to the coordinate inside a variable. Rati equals to treasure. Alert plus is a filter.
Plus is what?
Filter.
Okay. All right. So let's do this. I'll teach you random numbers today. Can you spell the word random?
R RANDOM.
Yes, that's it. Can you see it?
Numbers NUMBER.
Yes. Exactly. Exactly.
Title. Now I know the title. Where's random? What? I'm gonna write it.
Yes, go ahead now. Continue. Finish up the rest of the page. Now I'll show you what to do after that. Why do you want to close it? You're not ready to save it now. You are not done. Are you done?
Who is this thing? I'll show you.
Okay. Pressure. Keep moving. I don't want to finish before you. Hmm? I don't want to finish before you. I'm typing something here to you. Soon see it. I don't want to finish before you.
Sir, in the
Yes.
math dot random, they are making a red line on it.
Yes, don't worry. It's correct. Just leave it like that. You can do copy and paste so that you can do the remaining three easily.
Okay, I'll copy and
You can
paste.
see the remaining three look similar to. You want to type it.
Eh,
You don't remember how you did copy and paste last time.
I remember.
Highlight it.
I
Okay.
lied. Good. Then do control C.
Exactly.
Eh? Control C.
Yes, Control C.
Done. Now control C. Sir,
Continue now. You know what to do next.
control.
No, you have to click outside first. Remove the highlight, then hit enter.
Where would I remove the highlight?
Just click where you have your distance there. Uh-huh. No, not there. After the distance now. Yes. No. Yes. Oh, yeah, hit enter. Now
Then
paste. Good. Calm down. Control Z. Do Control Z. Just do Control Z. Again. Again. Thank you. Hit enter. Another Control V. Now don't forget to change the name of the variable for the second line and the third line. They are not the same. Change the name of the variable on the left hand side. Do you know understand what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
Good.
What? Papa? What? Number two, I don't know. Number two.
Excellent. I go to the next line. You can leave a space and then do the next. No, I didn't say you should hit enter. I said go to the next line so you can use your cursor and move to the next line. Yes.
Uh, Not
Go to the
well.
end, then hit enter.
But yeah.
Okay, that's good. Go ahead.
Can I press another enter?
Yes.
This makes plain space.
Pressure, use both hands to type. You'll be slower whenever you type with one hand. What happened? What do you want to do? You want to highlight it? Okay. I don't think you highlighted it well. Highlight again. Careful. I think you are pressing left mouse. Look, you are pressing the right one. Press the left. It's the left that you press, not the right one. You are pressing the right one. Press left, the one on the left hand. Uh-huh. Then highlight. That's better. Good, good, good. Well done. That's a good one. You can do your control C. Uh-uh. Treasure. Careful. Do Control Y. Press Control Y. Control Y is the opposite of Control Z. Control Y. Control Y. Treasure. Press Control Y so that you don't lose your work. Press Control Y.
Not doing.
Yes, now press Control Y so that all those things that this one that you deleted will come back. Is that Control Y? I think you pressed something else. Close this thing. This is not Control Y.
Hmm. Right or left?
Ah, what?
Right or left?
Any of them would work. There's no particular one. Both of them are the same thing. Anyway, type it back now. Just type it back. Don't worry, type it back. It's not much that you deleted. Type it back. Pressure, be faster. I need it to be faster.
No way you hide it.
Hit enter twice.
He's looking at you. I am showing
Pressure, go ahead.
you. Only one that can say the only
Pressure, keep going, keep going, keep going. You can do it. You're almost there. Don't use one hand. Use both hands. Okay, good. Be careful this time. Highlight, Control C, copy, Control V, paste. Okay, I think you did it right this time. Okay, Control V. Oh, well done, well done. Change things up. Okay, good. You can change things up. Well done. Okay. Uh-huh. Yes, schedule, keep going. You're not done with that line. Okay. All right. When you are done with this, you know what to do. You can finish up script. Finish up what comes under script and then finish up the rest of the page. Okay. So Treasure, what do you think is missing? Can you look at where the body is? That place after where you have pink before the closing for body. You can put something there saying, let's say, uh, you can say treasure learning random numbers. Why are you shaking your head? You don't want to do that. Of course, you want to. Go ahead and do it. This place, just type treasure learning random numbers quickly. Then don't forget to put your this thing here. You did not close your title. That greater than. You didn't type it. Can you see what you left out? Hmm? Oh, yeah, type it. Go ahead and type it. Pressure, what's the problem? Go ahead and type that title. Close up that title so that it's complete. That's not what I'm talking about. Oh. Okay, so put your cursor here. Let me show you where to put your cursor. Put your cursor. Good. Hit enter. Thank you. Hit enter there. Well done. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Treasure learning random numbers. Why are you crying? Treasure learning random numbers. That's all. Okay, don't forget to put the R after A in your learning so that it's not leaning. Learning. Learn. Yes. Okay, good girl. All right, well done. All right, so you're ready to save it. Sorry, title is not finished. You're not done with title. Okay, you can save your work now. Save your work. Well done. That's good. Okay. So what we're gonna call it? Treasure random dot html. Type with both hands so that you'll be fast. And you can just say treasure random. No, if you don't want it to be too long. Okay. Treasure, you're not fast. Try and be fast. Dot html. Don't any space after that M. No space after the M. No space after the M. Okay, you want to type numbers. Oh yeah, go ahead. Okay. Okay. Click on save. Well done. Okay, so let's go and see what you've done. Minimize.
Mm.
Minimize. Okay. Okay. Have you seen it? Yes, it's on the desktop there. So just double click it. This one you don't need to do right click. Okay, you can do right click. Oh, still the same thing. Oh, nice. Can you see what it showed? Can you see what it showed? Okay, do it again. Okay, so can you see this number is a random number? If you notice, the first one that showed, it did not show like this. It showed a different number, isn't it? Mhm. Random means anyhow. All right. It just comes up with different numbers from its memory. Click OK so that you see the second one. This is the second one, 0.422, another random number. But if you notice, all these random numbers are less than 1. That's why you have 0.4, 0.5. Click OK again. And the third one is 0.4535, So this is just a random number. If you run this program again, now click OK. Click OK. Okay. All right. Now refresh the page. Click on that place where you can refresh the page. Okay. Can you see the first one that last time? Very, very different from this one. Click OK again. Good. This one is 0.2. We did not see any 0.2 that time. Click OK. All right, 0.5. So it's totally random. No, the number will never repeat, even if you do that refresh 10 times. So you understand the concept, right? Do you understand the concept? Hmm? So basically, that math.random, what does it do for you? It will return a random number each time you call it. No matter how many times you call it, it will never give you the same number as the one it gave you before. Do you understand? Okay. So promise me that you write this in your book later. You write the code in your book later. Okay. Help me call Favor. Hello, Favor.
Sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's pick up from where Treasure left off. Open Notepad is minimized. Don't need to open it again. Look at it there. Just restore it. Good. Now copy this code. You remember this was the one that you did last week. Copy it first. I want you to let's pick up from here. Copy everything. Yes. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, okay, good. So paste. Good. Now, I want to believe you understood how this code worked last week, right? The math.random, no matter how many times you call it, it generates different random numbers. But now, what we want to do today, I told you last week that it's possible for you to control the random number. So you can say, okay, for instance, I'm interested in random numbers between 1 and 10. I don't just want 0.0 all the time. I want numbers like whole numbers, whole random numbers, okay, between say 1 and 10, or 1 and 99, or 1 and 100, or 1 and 1000. So how do you achieve that? So that's what I want to show you and Faith today. Or should I teach both of, okay, don't worry, no, I'll teach Faith separately. Oh yeah, help me um first modify this code to have your name. So change the places where you have for your name there, then I'll tell you what to add to it. So you can for your own to be different, you can say uh favor learning specific random numbers, or let's say controlled. Don't, let's use controlled. Let's use the word controlled. Controlled random numbers. So this time we have a bit of control over them, but they are still random. But you see what I mean by controlled. Controlled, double LED, not just control. Double LED. Yes. Okay. All right. Do the same thing for the body. Favor learning controlled random numbers at the bottom there. Okay, that's good. All right, well done. Okay, so let's see what we need to do to make them to be controlled. All right. So the first one, we're going to let me type what you are going to change it to. So instead of, let me erase what we have here. Clear all points. So for that first one, you're going to still have no, but I'm going to show you what you're going to do now. Math dot trunk math dot floor. You remember math dot floor, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then math dot random times 22.
Sir, can you give us your right?
You said? Yes, I know. you know, because I'm typing it, you soon show. Don't worry. Just give me a minute. Okay, so you'll soon see it now. Okay, it's going to show very soon. One, two, three. One, two. Okay. Okay. Can you see it now?
Oh,
So I just chose 20. You can put any number you want. So for instance, now this one will give you numbers between, actually, this one will give you numbers between 0 and 19.
oh, okay, sir.
Yes, it will do one less than 20. So go ahead and do just that. Then you can do a different number for the other ones so that you see whether it will actually give you numbers then. Not math, so math.
Random.
Yes, random, yes. So don't worry, when you finish typing it, I'll explain what is happening. So the reason why random is the last one there is that it is actually going to be the first to be called. So the random will be called first, multiplied by 20. Then the answer will now be transferred to math.floor. Okay. And then after that, it will now be transferred from math.floor to math.trunk. Okay. And trunk just means cut off the decimal part. Finish. There's no big deal about it. Just cut off the decimal part. Of course, you know what math.floor will do. Okay. So do that for the remaining two. You can do copy and paste so that you'll be faster. What happened? Are you having the same problem Treasure was having?
No, sir.
That underscore, thank you for removing it. No, it would have introduced an error. And no, not the whole thing, just that line. So change the name of the variable, or don't leave it the same. I think the second one was var num1.
No, sir.
No, no space, so there's no space, no space in variable names. So cover that space in between the num and the one. Uh-huh. But you can put a space after the one. There's no problem. But in between, no space in between. Num2. Okay. All right. So do you want to change the 20 to some other number so that you can, you can try 100, you can try 1000, something different so that you know that you're having controlled random numbers as you wish them to be. So I want you to choose numbers yourself. You can change the 20 for the second one and change the 20 for the third one to any number that you want. Even if it is 54, must not be a number that ends with zero. Any number at all. Okay, you chose 68. That's good. Okay. Okay, 40. All right. Okay, so save your work. Let's test it.
First is 11. First, second is 15. Third is 0. So, the higher
Okay.
99.
Can you see? Okay. Okay. So you see, what happened?
No, what's a higher number than this number? Ah, I
You
mean,
want a
this
higher number than them.
is not the one that computed choose.
Okay, go back to your code. But is it not giving you random numbers?
Yes. There is a number that I want to see.
What numbers do you want to see?
Like,
Hmm?
I want to see something like 1967, and I want to see something like 69. All those high
You,
numbers,
you
not
want
the
to see
little,
like big
the
numbers.
high number.
But they are random now. Remember, random numbers can, remember, it is between zero and that number. I told you. So the computer can choose anything. That's why it's called random numbers. Okay, it's supposed to introduce a level of uncertainty where you don't know the number at all. Okay, but at least you achieved whole numbers, isn't it? It was not giving you 0 point something like before. Okay, so if you want high numbers, that's in between um, the second and the last parentheses, between the second and the last parentheses for each of them, anyone that you want high numbers, between the second and the last parentheses. No, no, I said between. So put the first to the second to the last one. Then put plus, say 20, plus 20. So it will shift the numbers up by 20. Plus, okay, plus 20. Okay, now close the parentheses. Close the parentheses. Oh yeah, do the same thing for anyone that you want. Maybe you want the number to be higher, you can do the same thing for it. So that means whatever number it gets for you, add 20 to it. It will shift it up. Okay. So yeah.
Yeah,
All
same.
right. Yes, save. Then go and refresh. Okay. Click OK. Can you see this one is high now? Uh-huh. So that's how you achieve that. All right. So don't forget to write the code in your book. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Help me to call Faith so that I can explain the same concepts to her.
Wait, wait, calling. Yeah, Chinesa.
Hello, Faith. Are you
Yes, sir.
ready? Okay. So let's see. Um,
Come, I want to get
uh,
my book.
your book.
Yes, sir.
Did you write down what you did in the last class in your book?
No, I forgot. I was
And
studying.
you write it after we're done now. Because the time you
Yes,
use to go and get your book, let's do something. If you can get it later and write inside. Okay, so go to Notepad. Let's take a look at what we did today. Now, if you remember, in last week, we only just did math.random, okay, where you are seeing all the numbers were random numbers, but they were only between what? 0 and 1, isn't it?
sir.
You remember?
Yes, sir. I remember.
Okay, good. Okay,
Zero.
good. All right, so go ahead and highlight this. You remember how to highlight Control A, okay? And do your Control C and do Control V. So I'll explain. Let me quickly explain the code. Okay. So now, let me explain what's happening on the first line. Just take a look at the first line. Now, the first line, if you notice, The first thing you have is var isn't it?
Yes, sir.
On the right hand side, you have math.trunc. That trunc is short for truncate. Okay, and in mathematics, when you hear the word truncate, or even in English, truncate implies something like you're cutting something off. Okay, so truncate something, cut it off. So what does truncate do in mathematics? The decimal part of a number, for instance, if I have 0.56661, okay, it will truncate the 56661. It will cut it off. So you will just have what? Zero. Did you get that?
Okay, yeah, that's what will happen.
Did you get that? Yes. So in other words, truncate, math.trunc will help you to get a whole number by force from any decimal number that you give it. It will give you the whole number by force. Okay. So let's go to, you already know math.floor. It will give you it will round the number down, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you remember? Math.floor.
Yes, sir, I
Do you
remember.
remember? Okay, good.
Yes, sir,
Now
that
look
is
at,
sort of stealing
yes,
and
yes,
all.
exactly. Now look at math.random. Did you notice that today we're multiplying it by a number? Math.random times 20. So you can choose any number you want. That whatever number you choose, it will multiply that number, the 0 point something something something, by that number and give you a number that is, instead of it to be between 0 and 1, it will be between 0 and that number that you multiplied it by. So for instance, if you want your own to be like this is what will happen in your own. It will, for the first one, to give you a number between 0 and 20. That's 19. For the
Mm.
second one, where you have math.random times 68, it will give you a number between 0 and 68. But then when you now add 20 to it, it will upscale the number by 20 to make it bigger. Do you get? So that's why we call it controlled random number. So it's random, but you are controlling how you want to see it. Then the second one will give you a number between 0 and 40, but it will upscale it by 10. So what do you want to do in your own case? Do you want to see what Favor did in her own? Then change your own, change your own so that you can see something different.
This page change.
That was the first one, yes. So you can click OK. See the second one. Can you see the numbers are bigger? That's because of that upscaling that she did by adding. The same thing there. So,
I want to do.
okay. So what do you want to change it to? Okay. 95. Okay.
This is
Hmm.
96. Around 96.
96. Okay. You want it to go very high, isn't it?
And how it was used.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so you change your, I'm still seeing Favor's name there, so you can change the BG color and change what else you want to change. Can change Favor's name there. Hmm. I don't think anyway, shall try it, shall, but let's see. I think the last time you tried to use peach as a BG color, I'm not sure it showed peach. I think I had to get the hexadecimal for peach for you.
Well, this is not our laptop. It's my mom's room. I won't be there with
Uh-huh.
it.
Yes, I know. So let me see if I can get the hex for or can you search for the hex for peach here? And you can. I think there's a browser there.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, F F E 5 before F F E 5 before F F F R E 5
Okay. Do you remember the number? Okay, okay, this is the one that you just found now. Don't forget the hashtag. Oh.
Okay, I'm good. I don't know. I'm going to.
Uh-huh. Okay, you're changing it to capital letter.
Okay. I
Uh-huh. But
don't
you
know.
by now you would have known that capital letter or small letter is still the same thing. Shift
No,
3.
say they are different. That's what our school will tell me. I think capital letter, small letter, they are different from each other. That different.
Okay. All right. So go ahead and save your work so that we can test it.
So I say save as markdown to keep formatting this a text file to keep
No, why is it saying
safe.
save as markdown? Go ahead.
So what is markdown?
I think you know all those I don't even just change that markdown to all files. I don't even know why it is. Change that all markdown to all files. Have you seen that
Okay.
place at the bottom there? Yes, all files. Okay, save.
Say
Yes.
also. And then
It's not letting
now,
you save. Why is it not letting you save?
so I should we save it as markdown?
Click
Save as
as
it.
save as text and save as text file. I change that into all files before you start typing there. Change it to all files. Uh-huh.
HTML.
Click save.
Text
Desktop.
for
Okay.
save. To be saved
Okay,
there.
good. Excellent. I am minimized.
Yeah,
Have you've seen it?
open with
Okay.
mm, Microsoft Edge. This person
Okay, good. The first one is saying 38. Click OK. Let's see. Second
42,
one, 42. Click OK. Wow.
117,
Nice one. 117. Okay. So you can see you now know how to get controlled numbers, right?
Yes,
Mm-hmm. So so we'll continue
on it.
exploring more of these random numbers in our next class. But I think that's it for today. Now, please remember to write the code in your book, okay?
Yeah, they are with our famous laptop account. I don't know.
And no, write today's own now. Today's own, you can write it inside your book.
Okay, so yeah, this is not color picture.
But it's close to it, isn't it?
No, to me it's like yellow.
So you want another shade of peach. Hmm?
Use peach before you know Sam. They say that we should use
Hold
the
on.
but
Let me
my
give you
own,
another shade for peach. Okay, so try this one. They called it deep peach. They
deep.
called it deep peach. Don't worry, you'll soon see it. Have you seen it?
Yeah, I've seen it. Capital letter A, level B. Control S. I've saved. I've
Okay.
saved. I'll put it in. This one, answer is no 98. 95.
Mm-hmm.
This is good.
Do you prefer this one?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Right.
Okay. All right. So remember to write the code in your book. That's the one that you have in Notepad. Okay. All right. So try and get some rest and remember to revise for your exam on Monday, okay?
Yes, sir. I'm still postponing my reading to Sunday. Sunday in the
Okay.
evening.
Don't postpone it to Sunday in the evening. No. I think you should do a bit today, then finish up on Sunday. You may not have enough time to finish everything on Sunday evening.
I'll be able to because I like to study at night. So when it's not the next day on Monday, I will not forget. One day I studied in the afternoon and I forgot what I
Mm-hmm.
read. I don't know why.
Oh, okay. Okay. If that works for you and you know it works for you, it's fine.
Goodbye.
All right, bye.